Say hi, Claire. You have the hiccoughs? Whoa! My goodness. What does your shirt say? Hugs.